And Iqbal has said in his lectures a very beautiful thing. God is a percept. This universe is a concept. Perception is, a blind person, is touching this wall. He knows the wall is here. How long it is, how high it is, he can't see. But he says it is here. But because I can see, I have a perception, a conception of the wall. How long it is, how high it is, and what's the color, it's the conception. About Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have a perception, He is present. Dur binane bargahe alast, jus paye eena murdant ke hast. He is present, there's no doubt. But you can't comprehend Him. You can't have a conception of Him because He's unlimited. Our perception limited, our imagination limited. We cannot have a conception of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can have perception. Within our own personalities, we have the feeling that He is present. Dur binane bargahe alast, jus azib pe naburdant ke hast.